Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and today I'll be teaching us on how to build up rates for hardcore. Majority of quantity surveyors, we've been having series of issues on how to build up rates. So today I'll be doing a brief explanation on how to build up rate for hardcore part 1. I'll be sharing my screen now. Okay. If you want to build up rate, there are some certain things that you need to put into consideration. And the first item is your material cost. And then your second item is your labor cost. The third item is your small tools allowance. And then the final item is your overhead cost and then your profit. So we'll be starting with our material cost. First of all, we have different kinds of tipper load. Yes, we have different cubic meters of tipper load. But for academic purpose, the one I'm using here is 7 meter cube, and and then the cost of it is 150,000 as at today in Nigeria. My analysis is dated for today, which is in Abuja, Nigeria. Let me look at our date today is dated for 24th March 2025, and this rate is for Abuja. Yes. So please, we should not just try and check the cost for 7 meter cube of a dump truck of hardcore around your area. Then you can impute it in this analysis. But for 7 meter cube of hardcore, the cost price is 150,000. So we'll be making allowance for waste. We'll be making 10% allowance for waste. Then we'll be having a total cost of 165,000. For us to be able to know the unit price for 1 cubic, you have to divide it by 7. So when you do that, you'll be having 23,571. So we are done with our material cost. The next we'll be going into our labor cost. Daily pay for a laborer at the site today in Abuja is 5,000 naira for per day. And then the output of a labor per day for hardcore is 8 cubic meters. It means that a labor is able to carry out 8 meter cube per day of hardcore. So for you to be able to get for 1 unit, you are going to divide 5,000 by 8 cubic, which is 625 naira for 1 cubic. And then we'll be making allowance for small tools. Yeah, for small tools here and there, 5% of 300 of 625 naira. It will give you 31.25. And then we'll be and then we'll not have our overhead and profit. So when you sum up all of this, all of this, you'll be able to have your sum total of everything, right? You'll be able to have your sum total of everything. So we'll be adding uh our labor cost, which is we'll be adding our labor cost, which is 23. We'll be adding our labor cost, which is 23.